Welcome to a new era of technology as we introduce the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This device is the embodiment of innovation, designed to redefine our understanding of what a smartphone can do. At the heart of this marvel is the advanced A16 Bionic chip, engineered to deliver unparalleled performance and efficiency. Complementing this power is the Pro camera system, now with an even better night mode, capturing the beauty of the world, even in the dimmest light. But it's not just about the internals. The ceramic shield front cover offers 4 times better drop performance, ensuring your device withstands the rigors of daily use. And with 5G compatibility, you're ready for the future of connectivity today. Running on the all-new iOS 16, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a testament to Apple's commitment to pushing boundaries and setting new standards. This is not just a smartphone, it's a technological marvel, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, the unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The exterior packaging is a work of art in itself, a sleek, minimalist design that screams sophistication. The smooth white box with the embossed image of the iPhone on the front is a hint of the marvel within. As we slide the top off, the first thing you'll notice is the iPhone 15 Pro Max itself, nestled in a perfectly fitted compartment. Its sleek design and glossy finish make it a sight to behold. Beneath the phone, you'll find a compartment housing the USB-C to Lightning cable. This is your connection to the world, the lifeline of your device. It's robust, it's durable, and it's here to ensure that your phone is always powered up and ready to go. Next up, we have the documentation. This includes a quick start guide, a SIM ejection tool, and a single Apple sticker. The Quick Start Guide is your roadmap to navigating the features and functionalities of your new device. However, you may notice the absence of the power adapter and the headphones. Apple has made a conscious decision to exclude these items from the box in a bid to reduce environmental impact. It's a bold move, one that pushes us to rethink our consumption habits. With the unboxing complete, it's time to dive deeper into this spectacular device, the iPhone 15. Pro Max is not just about its stunning looks, it's also about what it brings to the table. The moment you hold this device, you are greeted with an exquisite blend of glass and metal, a testament to Apple's attention to detail. Its weight feels substantial yet balanced, and the size? Just right for a comfortable grip. The texture is smooth, almost silky, and the overall design is sleek and sophisticated. Moving on to the key features, the iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts an impressive display. Its Super Retina XDR display, larger than ever before, leaves little to be desired. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is sharp, and the attention to detail is remarkable. Whether you're watching a movie or scrolling through your photo album, the display quality is sure to leave you in awe. Now, let's talk about the camera setup. It's a triple lens system, featuring a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens. With night mode, deep fusion, and smart HDR, the camera capabilities are nothing short of spectacular. Whether it's a stunning landscape or a beautiful portrait, the iPhone 15 Pro Max captures it all with clarity and precision. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro Max packs a punch. Powered by the A16 Bionic chip, it handles tasks effortlessly, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. And let's not forget about the battery life. It's designed to last all day, so you can keep up with your busy schedule without any interruptions. Running on iOS 16, the iPhone 15 Pro Max presents a host of new features, from FaceTime enhancements to redesigned notifications, from the all-new focus mode to live text in photos. iOS 16 makes the iPhone experience even more seamless and intuitive. The iPhone 15 Pro Max truly stands out in the realm of smartphones with its advanced features and unmatched performance. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is indeed a game changer. From the moment we lifted the lid off the box to powering it up, the experience was nothing short of exceptional. The device boasts impressive features such as an advanced camera system, a vibrant display, and a lasting battery life. However, it's not without its downsides, like the hefty price tag, but overall, the iPhone 15 Pro Max impresses on many fronts. That's the iPhone 15 Pro Max for you, a device that effortlessly blends style with substance.